We're getting closer to Samsung's biggest foldable launch of the year, the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7, and the excitement is building with every passing week. Expected to be officially unveiled this July, the Z Fold 7 is already making waves in the tech world, thanks to a flood of new leaks and rumors. While nothing is confirmed just yet, these early insights give us a thrilling preview of what Samsung might have in store. From fresh new colorways to major hardware and software upgrades, the upcoming foldable is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most ambitious devices yet. Let's start with one of the most talked about rumors, the color options. Unlike its predecessor, which offered a wide palette, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch in 4 stunning shades, one fewer than last year's model, but potentially more impactful. Among these, one shade in particular is turning heads, coral red. This fiery bold hue made its debut on the Galaxy S25, but it's never been seen on a foldable, and if it does land on the Z Fold 7, it could completely redefine the look of Samsung's foldable lineup. Coral red is a dramatic, standout color that adds a vibrant edge to what's often a subtle and businesslike device. That said, there's still a bit of mystery here. Some reports suggest this bold new color might be destined for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 or the rumored Z Flip Fan Edition instead. Wherever it lands, it's clear that Samsung is ready to take some stylistic risks this time around, and fans are all for it. Now let's dive into one of the most exciting and widely discussed upgrades, the camera system. For years, Samsung's foldables have lagged slightly behind their S-series siblings in terms of raw camera power, but that might finally be changing with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to credible leaks, Samsung could be equipping the Z Fold 7 with a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, potentially the same one used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If true, this would represent a huge leap over the current 50-megapixel setup found in the Z Fold 6. The implications are big. We're talking ultra-detailed shots, far better low-light performance, and an overall step up in mobile photography for foldable users. And it doesn't stop there. Samsung is also rumored to be improving the under-display camera, a component that has drawn criticism in previous generations for its lackluster quality. While details are still under wraps, an upgrade in this area could make the inner display more suitable for video calls, selfies, and face recognition, all without compromising the immersive screen experience. There's still no official word on improvements to the ultra-wide or telephoto lenses, but even 2 major sensor upgrades could transform the way users capture content on a foldable, finally making it a serious contender for photography enthusiasts. Beyond the camera, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be pushing the boundaries of foldable design more than ever before. One of the standout leaks suggests that the main display could expand to 8 inches, with the cover screen growing to 6.5 inches, a noticeable increase compared to the Z Fold 6's 7.6-inch and 6.3-inch displays, respectively. The larger screens mean an even more tablet-like experience when unfolded, while still offering a more usable front display for day-to-day tasks when the phone is closed. But Samsung isn't just going bigger, they're going thinner too. Reports indicate that the Z Fold 7 could measure just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded, down from 5.6 millimeters on the previous model, and potentially less than 10 millimeters when folded. That would make it the slimmest Z Fold ever, a major win for portability and pocketability. With these changes, Samsung appears to be zeroing in on what users want most: bigger displays without the bulk, and a sleeker, more refined look and feel that finally starts to deliver on the full promise of foldable tech.